Hey everyone, my name is Carlos Ponce. Today we're going to learn fundamental skill in the world of networking, how to make your own network cable.
To begin this process, the materials we need are Cat5e UTP network cable, RJ45 connectors, a crimping pincer, and a network tester. The first step is peeling the plastic cover of the network cable at one end. We use the blade that usually comes with the crimping pincer to achieve a clean cut. The second step involves separating the wires and stretching them. We have to untwist them and make them straight. Third step, sorting the wires, cutting them and inserting them into the connector. Now we fix the connector with the crimper. Pressing firmly is necessary to secure the contacts. Then at the other end we need to repeat the exact same process. Now that we have finished preparing both ends, we use the network tester to check if the installation was good. If the installation were bad, the tester would show us a failure with its light. If all 8 lights flash in order, it confirms the installation is perfect. That way it is. Thank you.